Mexico Beach hit the hardest, obviously, and we are looking at no storms out there now, so that's good. Obviously, we still have a month and a week or so to go before the official end of the hurricane season, but the good news is there's nothing developing at this point, and what we are looking at is a very weak cold front headed our way. It's much advertised, but it's not going to really cool us down all that much. What it will do is it'll bring us back down to more seasonal averages, as opposed to the low 90s and heat in the seas up near 100. Beautiful sunset tonight from our ABC7 tower cam from downtown Sarasota. Weather headlines near 90 again. That should read for tomorrow. And again, a weak cold front arrives on Sunday, and a little stronger front expected to move down through, I believe, by next weekend. So that one will be a little bit more noticeable, and that's what's going to be happening. We're going to start to see more and more of these fronts move down, which will be stronger each time and eventually blow on through and cool us down and start to chill out the Gulf of Mexico. With that water temperature still over 80 degrees across the entire Gulf, there's still some potential for storms to intensify if they were to get in there. Right now, we're looking at this frontal boundary. It's bringing rainfall again to Texas, so some of that moisture working in from the Gulf there in Texas and then stretching off into Tennessee, all the way up into the northeast. That front will move through our area, but not until Sunday. So tomorrow, another hot one. Today it was hot, low 90s. We had a few showers around, and those showers have since moved on. No rain around right now, and looks to be pretty nice overnight. We'll start off nice on Saturday too, although it will heat up pretty quickly. Now that dry air that had been in place is slowly starting to thin out a bit as it heads southward. Here comes the front. There's a little bit of moisture with it. I expect to see a few showers on Sunday morning, say around 8, 9, 10 o'clock. There could be a few passing showers, but we're not expecting a lot of heavy rainfall. Well, you see this area right here trying to advance off to the northwest, but watch what happens. This front starts to move in, and that heads off to the east as that front kind of knocks that high pressure ridge down. Here it comes, a weak one at that. 5 a.m. It should be just north of the Tampa Bay area. And then as we progress through time, it should clear our area by noon and bring with it a few spotty showers, maybe a little increase in cloudiness throughout the morning just after sunrise, and then winds will switch around to the northwest. Boaters, it should be good weather tomorrow, but those winds and seas may pick up a little bit behind that front once it moves through. So Sunday, late afternoon, mid-afternoon may not be the best, but it'll still be okay. It's not going to be as good as it is for us on Saturday. Highs tomorrow will be into the upper 80s, and we'll have some low 90s. We'll have partly cloudy skies throughout much of the day. I mentioned the tropics. All is quiet out there. Things not much happening at all throughout the Caribbean. Good cruising weather there. In the Pacific, we have a tropical system developing there. The season continues, and it will last a little longer than ours as it heads off to the west, warmer water temperatures in the Pacific. Well, the long-range forecast model, this is taking you from Sunday, Monday of next week, Tuesday. We'll stay right around 85, 86 degrees for highs. And then there'll be a couple of low pressure areas developing on Friday of next Friday, and that'll push a front through us on Saturday and cool us down a little bit. Could be a big storm for the northeast as it makes its way off in that direction. For boaters, tomorrow, winds out of the east, turning to the northeast at 10 knots. Seas will be 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out there in the bays and inland waters. We may see a little sea breeze developing in the afternoon right near the coast, so should be pretty good boating weather. Saturday, the big walk in the morning. We have the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer tomorrow at Nathan Benderson Park. Should be okay to start things off. It will be warm, though, by midday. 20% chance for a shower with that front in the morning. And then notice temperatures. That's pretty much where we're supposed to be, in the mid-80s for highs. Low temperatures will be nice, too, on Monday. 65 degrees, 65 as well on Tuesday, and it looks like we'll have temperatures into the low 70s after that, with a slight chance for showers and storms coming back as that storm system starts to develop over the deep south, and it'll swing another cold front away and cool us off just a little bit for Thursday and Friday.